All right, so we entered into the city's sewer cleanout that was in the yard adjacent, and as soon as we went in, we see a bunch of debris inside of there. This really looks like it's mud with grass, so maybe when they laid the saw it out on the new construction, it got pushed down into this pipe. But this blockage, when it lets loose, it can potentially block the entire pipe. But we're going to push past that here. Try not to push it down the pipe. Now we're past it, and we're inside the main sewer drain. You see water standing in there with debris. There should never be water standing or debris into the pipe. To have it just a little bit is fine, but to have more than an inch is a bad thing. This one here, it filled up over half of the pipe with water and debris, which will be another clog point. And as we push on through this, we'll come out to the higher side of the belly. That is over at the city sewer connection. And you'll see that no standing water or debris is there. So this is coming out of that belly as we're pushing through it. And this will go into the city sewer.